everyone. Today I am making tawa fry chicken. But I have marinated my chicken. I have taken boneless chicken and I have cut it in small pieces like tikka. And this is the marinade. I'll tell you how I made the marinade. And rest of the things which I am going to use for it, I have taken finely chopped onions, tomato puree, very finely chopped ginger and garlic, a curd, well beaten curd, fresh cream I am going to use, and some bhuna hua besan for the marinade, and kasuri methi and dry spices I am using. So let me quickly show you how I made the marinade. For the marination you need to take a ginger garlic paste. So for this I am taken like 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. In this I'll mix well beaten curd, which is 6 dessert spoon. Along with the curd I'm going to take 4 dessert spoon of cream. Dessert spoon is slightly bigger than a tablespoon. So it is 1. Thick cream I am taking. 4. In this I'll take 1 egg also. Egg makes chicken softer. So in this I've taken ginger garlic, curd, cream and 1 egg, and in 1 egg I'll just mix 2 tablespoons of bhuna's besan. Little bit of kasuri methi. Salt. Half a tablespoon of salt. And some garam masala. The garam masala for the marinade I have mainly taken, I have made it at home. So I have taken choti ilaichi, zeera powder, jaifal, javitri and some kali mirch and 1 or 2 long. So I have made it in a large quantity, the garam masala, but in the marinade you just have to add like half a tablespoon of garam masala. Mix it properly. So this is the marinade, and in this marinade I've just added the chicken pieces. So this is just for showing how I did it. So let me start with the main cooking now. Just take very little oil. As I have added cream in the chicken, I am not taking too much oil initially. My tawa is not so large, so that is why it might spill from the sides. So first I am just placing the tikka pieces. Let the chicken saute for 5 minutes till it is brown from both the sides. This you should do on high flame. So my chicken is almost sauteed from both the sides. It is a bit tricky to make it on tawa, so it's always better to use 2 spoons in both the hands. Now I will add my masalas. Haldi powder I am adding 1 teaspoon. Dhania powder I am adding 3 teaspoons. And this is my lal mirch. I am adding 1 teaspoon. And garam masala I will add in the end. Salt, because I have already added in the marinade, I am only adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And now at this stage, add little bit more oil. Just drizzle. My tawa is a bit small, you can definitely take a larger tawa. So just mix the spices and let it bhuno for 5 minutes. So now I have bhunoed it with dry spices for 2-3 minutes. After this, now I'll add my tomato puree. This again I will add in 2 rounds. First I'll mix the first round, then I'll add the second round. So initially I'm adding 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Just add very little water in it because the masala starts sticking at the bottom. Just have to be very careful. Now again I am adding 3 spoons of tomato puree. So in all I have added 6 spoons of tomato puree. Now I am going to cover my chicken and let it cook for 5-7 minutes. See that the chicken is nicely browned. So now what I'll do, I'll make a small well in between. I'll add onions. These are like 2 big onions. One tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger. And on top of it, I've drizzled some oil. So let me bhuno my pyaz and adrak lesan for some time. See, the boundary of the chicken is making it easy for me to bhuno the pyaz. You can always make this tawa chicken in a big kadhai if you want to. But tawa gives a very nice flavor, like the typical bhuna hua chicken. That flavor is better in a tawa. But definitely, I mean, you can always use a kadhai to make this chicken. So I'll just bhuno my pyaz for 2-3 minutes. I don't want to make it very brown. I want to make it just lightly sauteed, so that when it will, the onion will leave the water and it will make the chicken more tender and a bit juicy. So now I'll just mix it. Just mixing the chicken with my onion and garlic. You have to use a spatula and a big service spoon. It's really fun to make it on tawa. Reduce the gas, the flame. So now when you feel that the chicken is nicely mixed with the onion, ginger and garlic, just make a well again in the center. And pour some water. By pouring the water in the center, it makes it easy to stir it. Otherwise, because we don't have any boundary on the tawa, the water might fall from the side. So now I'll just cover the chicken and let it cook again for 5-10 minutes till the chicken is tender and the onions are soft. And just do it on slow flame so that it doesn't burn. Now you can see that the chicken is nicely bhunoed. If you see that there is any masala sticking at the bottom, just scrape that masala by adding water. And now the onions are soft. And the chicken is nicely browned. So in the end, I am going to add, this is bhuna zeera. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of bhuna zeera. It gives a nice color to it and definitely a nice flavor also. And some garam masala. Garam masala you should always add in the end. It gives very nice flavor when you add it in the end. Now quickly I'll just mix it. So as you can see, my chicken is nicely browned and bhunod completely. I've switched off the gas and I've started transferring it to a serving dish. Just scrape off all the masala which is there on the tawa with a big serving spoon. And one tip which I want to give it to you, that see the chicken is quite dry, so instead of mixing water or making it a bit liquidy on the tawa, just add little bit boiled water which I have boiled in my kettle, and I am adding it in the chicken. It makes it very nice when you are having to. Now I have added little bit water and it has become slightly liquidy, and in the end, just for the garnish, I am adding dried pudina leaves on top. So that's it. My chicken is ready. So this is the tawa fried chicken which I have made today. Hope you like it. Bye bye.